Hedera busted by Japanese exchange listing. Will it break through resistance and soar? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Hedera, this is the place for you. Let's talk about price Hedera. As of March 24th, 2026, the total market cap is $4.08 billion, with a change of plus 5.64% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.094. The 24-hour trading volume is $138.44 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.30 billion, with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. Hbar ranks 23 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.094894. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.089035. Let's analyze the price of Hedera is up 5.46% to $0.0941 in 24 hours, outperforming a broader market rally primarily driven by a risk-on shift following hopeful geopolitical developments. The move shows Hbar acting with high beta to Bitcoin, which rose 4.11% on the same macro catalyst. The primary driver is a macro risk-on move across crypto. Prices rose after comments from former U.S. President Donald Trump suggested potential de-escalation of tensions with Iran, boosting investor sentiment. The total crypto market cap rose 3.62%, with Bitcoin up 4.11%. Hbar, with higher beta, amplified this move. Hbar's gain was not driven by a coin-specific event, but by a surge in overall market risk appetite. Watch for sustained follow-through in Bitcoin, as Hbar's direction remains closely tied to broader market trends. Secondary contributors include anticipation of Hbar's listing on the Japanese exchange BitTrade, scheduled for March 25th. This improves access and liquidity. Furthermore, the CMC altcoin season index rose 6.67% in 24 hours, indicating some capital rotation toward altcoins, which may have provided a tailwind. Near-term catalysts and improving market structure are supporting the price bounce from recent lows. Watch for trading volume and price action around the BitTrade listing go live at 1200 UTC on March 25th. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Hedera Inis, buoyed by positive news of a new listing in Japan, has entered a clear upward trajectory amid easing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Moving closely in tandem with the rebound of leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin, Hbar is aggressively testing short-term resistance levels as speculative buying, backed by substantial trading volume, flows into the market. The most powerful catalyst behind the latest rally was the announcement of a new listing on Japanese cryptocurrency exchange BitTrade. BitTrade stated that it will begin supporting Hbar deposits, withdrawals, and trading starting March 25th. New exchange listings typically lead to increased liquidity and expanded access for local investors, and buying interest appears to have been priced in ahead of the listing, pushing prices higher. The easing threat of military conflict between the United States and Iran has also supported risk-on sentiment. Amid this relief rally, Hedera's 24-hour trading volume surged an impressive 77%, underscoring strong market interest. This suggests that the rally is not merely riding favorable market sentiment, but is being driven by substantial and active buying pressure. From a technical perspective, Hedera is currently facing initial resistance at its recent high of $0.0949. If the price successfully holds above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.0917, a renewed attempt to break through resistance is likely. Conversely, if the 0.0885 support level fails, there remains a risk of a pullback towards 0.085. The market is expected to maintain a cautiously bullish stance for the time being. While clear positive catalysts and macroeconomic momentum provide a solid foundation, whether buying pressure continues after BitTrade's listing goes live on March 25th or turns into so-called sell-the-news profit-taking will be the key factor determining the next directional move. Enterprise adoption via Governing Council. Hedera's unique governance model involves a council of global enterprises like Google, IBM, and, as of February 2026, FedEx and AP+. These members run nodes and guide development, focusing on real-world asset tokenization, supply chain, and CBDC pilots. This brings immense credibility and steady, utility-driven transaction growth, which is fundamentally bullish for long-term value. However, the permissioned nature and slow enterprise sales cycles mean price appreciation may lag behind techno. Will Hbar see a 30% pump after listing? We'll find out soon. Disclaimer: This video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.